Hello, welcome to my kitchen. It's tandoori malai broccoli today. You'll love this no sweat recipe and discover a flavorsome broccoli dish ideal for a snack or an appetizer. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? I'm using 500 grams of broccoli that I have cut into large florets, and I'll blanch them slightly by pouring in boiling hot water. Make sure to wash all the florets with the boiling water. And you can see the bright green color because of the blanching process. Time to drain the water. That's our drained and blanched broccoli. We'll keep this aside. The easiest way to make hung curd is just add the yogurt into a strainer and let it sit over a bowl for a few hours to drain. Let's prepare the marination. In a bowl, take about a cup of hung yogurt or hung curd. Add in some white pepper powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, salt, chopped green chilies, grated ginger, and grated garlic. Add in some fresh cream, and some all-purpose flour or maida, and mix it all up till everything is well combined to a smooth paste. I'll add in a combination of mustard oil and some vegetable oil and mix it up. And that is how the marinade looks. Must tell you that it smells lovely. Time to add it to the broccoli. Add in all of the marination into the broccoli. And just mix it in to coat the pieces, all the broccoli pieces. And just let them rest for at least an hour, or best kept overnight in the fridge. Line a baking tray with aluminium sheet. Get the broccoli out of the fridge and time to arrange them on the baking tray. The oven is heating up. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. That's ready to go into the oven at 220 degrees. Scrape the bowl to collect the leftover marinade. Add in some vegetable oil, mix well and keep it aside. Checking after 10 minutes. They've already got a slight color on them. I'll just use the leftover marinade and oil mixture to brush over all of them so that they don't dry out. And I'll let it bake for another 10 minutes now. That looks so good. Arrange them on a platter. Stack them up to get some height. That always looks good. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top. Serve hot with onion lachcha and sliced lemon. Enjoy!